everyone, this is Stephanie and I want to show you this mat that I bought for my counter. I'm gonna make some pie crust by hand because I need to make some muffins, so I'm gonna have to make it by hand. And the thing about this is that I can make this whole pie because it's got a lot of area, matter of fact, to do whatever I want to do. If you want to make cookies or things that you will be rolling out some sort of dough for, you can easily put it on this mat and then go to work and do what you have to do. It wipes up easily. Just take a sponge and wipe it up, and spray it with some soap or stuff, and then wipe it up. I also got this because I'm intending to make some crust for some Jamaican patties, and that has turmeric in it. Turmeric stains everything, and I don't want nothing staining on my counter. So this is a good thing to protect my counter when I'm doing all the stuff I need to do on my counter. So that's why I got it. Holidays coming, and if you're going to be into the cooking stuff, you might want to get this for your counter.